Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to talk about Platinum End. Platinum End anime is going to be released. Actually I also didn't knew about the manga and also the anime till yesterday, but one of the subscribers commented on my previous video that what are your thoughts about Platinum End. So I just searched about it and I got to know that Platinum End is an anime which is created by the same creators of Death Note, the legendary anime which made me into a weeb. So that's why in today's video we are going to talk about the Platinum End manga, and also there's an anime which is going to be released, so we are gonna talk all about that. Platinum End manga has already ended. It released its latest chapter on January 6th of 2021. But what's more is that Platinum End anime adaptation has been confirmed. Yes, the most awaited supernatural thriller is finally coming in the form of an anime series. I have just started reading this manga and I am already in love with this manga. So in this video we will discuss everything you need to know about Platinum End anime release dates and also the latest updates and also the plot about the Platinum End. From the creators of Death Note, Platinum End is something very similar to Death Note. The manga is supernatural thriller that is rated 18+ for partially nudity and bloody gore. Platinum End anime is set to release in October of 2021. As of now, the exact date hasn't been scheduled for Platinum End anime adaptation. Stay updated for more information on the release date of Platinum End anime and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to get latest updates and news about the anime. So the Platinum End anime is adapted by Signal MD. The director of the anime is Hideya Takahashi. He is famous for his work in JoJo's Bizarre Adventure Golden Wind and Strike Witches Road to Berlin. The character design is done by Koichi Odate from No Game No Life. Series composition is done by Shinichi Inotsume, who is also well known for his work in the Persona 5 the animation. Art of the anime is managed by Studio Kusanagi. So that was all about the creators and the animators of this anime. But if we will talk about the plot, if you have read the Platinum End manga, you can be sure to see those bloody scenes come to life in the Platinum End anime adaptation. As for the nudity, most of it will be cut off or uncensored version might air on different websites. Since Death Note was a mega hit, they will most likely try to follow the footsteps of its success in order to attain a higher fan following and also ultimately a high profit. The year 2021 has a lot to offer in general, with a lot of manga series receiving anime adaptation, and new seasons of old animes are also set to air in the near future. With all the heavy competition, Platinum End anime will surely have to do something out of the box in order to gain its well-deserved reputation. The main protagonist of this series is Mirai Kakehashi, who attempts to commit suicide but meets a guardian angel, Nase. Mirai wants to kill himself because of his abusive uncle and aunt, but later finds out the truth about how they were responsible for his parents' death from Nase. Mirai gains powers from Nase and uses those powers to bring justice to his parents. Nase later explains that God will no longer exist after 999 days. She explained that 13 candidates were chosen to replace God, including Mirai. But the competition Mirai faces is life-threatening, as the competitors are willing to do anything to gain the status of God, including eradicating all other competitors. Well, that was all about the plot, because if I will go much more deeper into this, I will be spoiling the manga, so I'm not gonna go further than this. But I am 100% sure if everything goes well in the anime adaptation, this anime is gonna blow up. And if you like the story, you should even start to read manga because it is really good. The supernatural thriller is not very a popular genre, as only the smart get intrigued by it. So needless to say, the Platinum End anime adaptation will not be everyone's cup of tea. Since the creators of the Death Note are directly involved with the anime adaptation, we can expect the plot to stick to its original source. And I'm really excited for the release of this anime, and I am really also excited to complete this manga as soon as possible, and maybe make another video about the review of Platinum End manga. And well, that was for the today guys. Do let me know what do you think about it, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video, because I post daily anime content about top 10 top 5 listings, anime reviews, recommendations, news, theories and all sort of anime content on daily basis. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, you should do it right now. And that was for the video guys, and I will see you in the next one.